Okay, we're filming now. Okay, hey guys. It is 3 a.m.
and it's the secret's birthday.
It's my birthday. And right at this minute, I was born. So, yeah, but the thing is, I am officially 14, the 10, 4. 14. Why are you doing that? What was that? Was that you?
No. Or no.
Wait, that wasn't you?
That wasn't me.
Or you're joking, right?
No.
What?
I don't know what happened.
What? I'm just gonna open my coat. Why are you laughing? I think
You're a peacock.
sorry, sometimes I call other people my name.
You're on drugs.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Alright, so today we are going to be doing a reaction video. I've got my phone. We're on YouTube. And we are going to be we're going to be watching I'm Jaystation. That is our favorite YouTuber. Favorite. And
Oh my god,
what was that? What
was that?
are you doing that?
No, I'm not doing it.
Because all we have is a little light for our lighting. A little like lamp. And so
It just happened again.
oh my god. This is super scary, but so we are gonna be watching I'm Jaystation because he is our favorite YouTuber. If you like 3 a.m. videos and rituals and stuff like that, you should go totally go check out his channel and click his subscribe button, and watch his videos. Oh my god, what? Okay, guys, but you have to watch our video first, and you have to make sure to annihilate that subscribe button and
Leave a like if you love 3 a.m.
Yeah, leave a like if you love 3 a.m. talented, and yeah, and so we are gonna be watching his latest